Hey guys, in today's video we're taking a look at 3 accessories that ESR sent over for the iPad A16. They sent their ESR Flex Keyboard Case, the UltraFit Classic Screen Protector, and the Geo Digital Pencil. So let's take a look and see what we get. Let's start with the keyboard case. This is ESR's first magnetic detachable keyboard case, and it's designed for the iPad A16 and other compatible 11-inch models. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth and attaches magnetically to the case. One of the cool things is that you can pull off the keyboard and position your iPad however you like and still type from a distance. The magnets feel strong and the Bluetooth range is up to 10 meters. It has 2 viewing angles, 65 degrees for watching, typing, and video calls, and 20 degrees, which is great for writing and drawing. It's also really stable when you're leaning on it to write and sketch, which I really like. The trackpad is a really decent size and it supports all the usual iPad gestures like swiping between apps, pinch to zoom, and going back to the home screen. I find it really responsive, especially for casual use like emails and web browsing. Typing on this keyboard feels good, not quite as premium as the ESR Rebound 360 case that I use on my iPad Pro, but it's actually better than I expected for this price point. I like that it's a little bit lighter than the Rebound case, which makes it easy to carry around. The shortcut keys across the top are one of my favorite features: volume, brightness, media controls, but my top two are the dictation button, which makes it really easy to start speaking straight into the iPad, and the multitasking view, which is so helpful when you need to quickly switch between apps. I do wish the keys were backlit, especially for night use, but at this price range, I'm not surprised it doesn't have that. In terms of protection, I love that it has full 360-degree coverage, including reinforced corners. If you drop your iPad in this, I feel like it's going to be pretty well protected. This case includes a built-in pencil holder, which is a nice add-on. The pen just sits there with a bit of space around it, so you need to make sure that you place the pen in with the flat side down so the magnets connect to the side of the iPad. The battery lasts up to 60 days with around 2 hours of use per day, which is great. And when you need to charge it, you can just use the same USB cable you already use to charge your iPad. Now let's talk about the UltraFit Classic Screen Protector. This comes with a plastic frame that helps you apply it straight, which I always prefer when it comes to screen protectors. It makes it so much easier than trying to line it up yourself. The install process was really simple. There's even an instructional video you can follow. When I applied mine, I did end up with a couple of bubbles, but I was able to push them through pretty easily using the included cloth. Just make sure you use the dust removal sticker properly and definitely watch the video first and you'll be fine. It's also nice that you get 2 protectors in the pack, which is great value. Touch responsiveness is excellent and it hasn't peeled or lifted in the corners at all since I installed it. Lastly, the Geo Digital Pencil. It connects via Bluetooth, and once paired, you get a battery status in your widget panel. It also supports Find My, which I think is super cool for this price point. If you misplace it, you can ping it with a sound. Writing and drawing with it feels smooth and accurate. It has palm rejection, tilt sensitivity, and a 5.1mm tip. And unlike the iPad Pro Pencil, which only works on selected iPads, this one is compatible with all iPads from 2018 and onwards. So overall, if you're looking for affordable accessories for your iPad A16, whether it's for school, work, or just general use, I think this trio from ESR offers great value. I've put links in the description if you want to check them out, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.